Hi guys, I'm Andre and today we're gonna make some really nice and creamy mushroom risotto. We're gonna need some arborio rice, some mushrooms, onion, little bit of white wine, a lot of chicken stock and some parmesan to finish it off. I've preheated my pan here to medium-low heat and I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil and fry my onions. Okay, the onions are nice and stuffed, almost translucent as you can see. Now I'm gonna add the mushrooms. Okay, now I'm gonna add the rice and fry it for about 2 minutes. Okay, now I'm gonna add the wine. And when the wine is fully absorbed, I'm gonna slowly start adding the chicken stock, about a ladle at a time, and wait for it to fully absorb until you add the next one. Make sure that your stock is warm or hot, so it doesn't stop the cooking process. Right, the risotto is done. You can tell it's done when the rice is nice and soft on the outside, but still a bit firm on the inside. You can see that it's really nice and creamy. And we're gonna add some Parmesan cheese to it to make it even more creamier. Now I'm gonna taste it, see if it needs any salt. Yeah, it could use some salt and pepper. And there it is, our beautiful, nice and creamy mushroom risotto. Okay, there it is. It's really nice, fluffy, creamy, delicious mushroom risotto. Let's see. Yeah, it's perfect. Hope you're gonna try this. It's really good. Please like this video, subscribe and come back for the next video. Bye bye!